how to see private videos on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can basically see the private videos on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to see private videos on YouTube, there are two things that you could be talking about. Are you talking about a private video that someone else posted on YouTube? So let's say you open up a YouTube, maybe someone basically posted something, and now by the time you actually watch that video is actually made private, but you still want to view that private video. Well, if that is the case, then you will not be able to view the private video unless the creator has sent you a link themselves. So if the creator has not sent you a particular link for something, you will not be able to view that private video unless they have set it to public or set it unlisted. Now the other case scenario you could be talking about is, let's say you have your own private YouTube video over there. For that you need to download the YouTube Studio application to view your private videos that you have not yet published. So just log into one of your accounts that you would be able to find over here, and once you log into one of your accounts, just make sure to get the started option, go to content, and here you should be able to see a list of private videos that you have not yet published. So you can just select that video which is still saved as a draft and then tap the YouTube icon from the top right in order to watch your private videos here. And this way you should be able to see private videos in YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.